As I already said that our ancestors' time limit was bounded between day and night. But as science developed, as new inventions were made, time was calculated beyond day and night. Like one day was calculated as 24 hours, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute was counted as 60 seconds. Same way, 1 week was counted as 7 days, 1 month equal to 4 weeks, 1 year equal to 12 months, 1 decade equal to 10 years, and 1 millennium equal to 10 decades. So these are the units of time that we are using in our modern day life. And the standard unit of time is second. Our next topic is slow and fast motion. So first of all, let me tell you what do you mean by motion. When a body is moving, it is said to be in motion. Okay, that means the body should change its position. Okay, now I will show you with the help of an example. Okay, suppose I am organizing a car race. Okay, I am organizing a car race of 50 meter car race. Okay, and 4 cars are participating. I have named the car A, car B, car C, and car D. Okay, this line is known as the starting line. That means from where the cars will start the race. And this starting line can be also called as initial position for all these cars. For all these cars, this line is the initial position. Okay, and this is the finishing line. Okay, and this is the finishing line. That means the 50-meter line. Okay, now say as soon as the car race will begin, the cars will start moving. Okay, and after the race is finished, we have seen that car A has taken 20 seconds, car B has taken 25 seconds, car C has taken 23 seconds, car D has taken 19 seconds to reach the finishing line, that is the final position. Okay, so by seeing only you can say which car was the fastest and which car was the slowest. Okay, so which car has taken less time to reach the 50-meter line? Definitely car D has taken less time, that is 19 seconds. So car D was the fastest. Yes or no? Next, now see which car has taken longest time to reach the finishing line. 20, 25, 23, 19. So this is the biggest or not? 25 seconds is the biggest. So car B has taken the longest time. Or you can say the slowest of all. The slowest of all. Okay? So I think you have understood slow and fast motion. Our next topic is speed. So what is speed? Speed is the distance covered by a body in unit time. Suppose I am traveling to Guwahati, and if I say that my speed is 60 km, if I say my speed is 60 km per hour, that means what? In 1 hour I go how much kilometer? 60 km. That is unit time. Understood? Next, what is the SI unit of speed? The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay. Now I will show you how to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, as well as meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay. For example, kilometer per hour to meter per second. Suppose 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? 1000 meter. Divided by what? Hour. I have to convert into second. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. And if I convert those minutes into second, I will multiply the 60 into 60. 60 minute into 60 second. Yes or no? So if I cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. How much I got? 5 by 18 meter per second. Understood? That means if I have to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, just multiply it by 5 by 18. Just multiply it by 5 by 18, then it will be converted into meter per second. Okay. Next, meter per second to kilometer per hour. Suppose 1 meter per second. So we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So from meter to kilometer we have to divide 1 by 1000. Same way, second to hour. Then we opposite of this one. Yes or no? Here we have multiplied, but here we have to divide 1 by 60 into 60. Okay. The next step will be what? 1 by 1000 into 60 into 60 by 1. 0 0 gone, 0 0 gone. Okay? 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So 6 3s are 18, 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. That means what you understood? In meter per second you have to multiply by 18 by 5. Okay? So to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to multiply by 5 by 18. To convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, you have to multiply by 18 by 5.